Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Battery, hard disk drive assembly, solid-state drive, system board, speakers, display panel assembly, and display panel. Removal. Importance: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the touchscreen board. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the display panel. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display panel. Remove the display panel cable. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel cable.